Imagine a woman named Sarah, a homemaker with a knack for creativity. Sarah, a spirited New Yorker, found herself drawn to the world of video editing. As a homemaker, she had always been creative, from the way she decorated her home to the unique recipes she'd whip up in the kitchen. But she yearned for a creative outlet that stretched beyond her four walls. Sarah's journey was not easy. She faced many challenges along the way. She grappled with complex video editing software, struggled to understand technical jargon, and wrestled with self-doubt. Yet she was relentless. Sarah spent countless nights watching online tutorials, practicing her newfound skills, and refining her craft. The learning process was arduous, but Sarah was fueled by her passion for creativity. She found joy in piecing together clips, adding transitions, and watching a story unfold before her eyes. Each project was a puzzle, and Sarah was determined to solve it. After months of hard work, Sarah's efforts paid off. She transformed from a homemaker to a successful video editor. She started taking on freelance projects, creating captivating videos for various clients. Her work was not only a source of income but also a source of immense satisfaction. Let's hear it from Sarah herself. This journey has been challenging, but it's the most rewarding thing I've ever done. Every project is a new adventure, a chance to create something beautiful. And the best part is, I can do it all from the comfort of my home. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that it's never too late to learn a new skill and start a side hustle. Whether you're a homemaker, like Sarah, or someone looking for a new challenge, remember that the path to success is paved with perseverance and passion. So, what's stopping you from starting your journey today? But how does one get started with video editing, you might wonder? Well, it's not as complex as it might seem. First, it's essential to choose the right software. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are industry favorites, but for beginners, iMovie or Windows Movie Maker might be a good start. Next, consider taking an online course. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube offer comprehensive tutorials on video editing. These platforms provide a wide variety of lessons, from basic editing techniques to advanced cinematic effects. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Video editing is a skill that improves over time. Start with simple projects like cutting and joining clips, then gradually move to more complex tasks like adding transitions, effects, and sound editing. Remember, as expert video editor Jane Smith says, your first videos won't be perfect, but each one will be better than the last. So get started and let your creativity flow. Now let's delve into a completely different but equally promising side hustle, Discord moderation. Just as the name suggests, Discord moderation involves overseeing the smooth running of a Discord server. It's a role that requires a keen eye, a steady hand, and a knack for digital diplomacy. Imagine being the conductor of a digital orchestra, where each musician is a conversation, a thread, a meme, or a game. Your baton is your ability to enforce rules, encourage engagement, and ensure that everyone has an enjoyable experience. Now, you may be wondering, how does Discord moderation stack up as a potential side hustle? Well, let's put it this way. Discord is one of the fastest-growing communication platforms with over 100 million active users. These users form an array of communities, each with their unique interests and needs. And guess what? Every one of these communities needs a moderator. Moderators can earn a steady income depending on the size and activity level of the server they manage. The more active and larger the server, the bigger your potential earnings. And don't forget, as a moderator, you can work from anywhere, anytime, making it a perfect side hustle for those looking for flexibility and independence. Let's hear it from someone who's made a success out of Discord moderation. Meet Jane Smith, a former homemaker who now moderates for 3 high-activity Discord servers. In her own words, Discord moderation gave me financial independence. It was something I could do from home, in between managing household chores and taking care of my family. I've gained not just an income but also a community. Jane's story is just one of many. With the right skills and commitment, anyone can turn Discord moderation into a profitable side hustle. As renowned Discord moderator John Doe says, good moderation is about creating a community, not just enforcing rules. So, if you have a passion for community building and digital diplomacy, why not consider Discord moderation as your next side hustle? Next, we move on to a side hustle that can be done from the comfort of your own home, being a sales closer. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is a sales closer? In its simplest form, a sales closer is the person who seals the deal. They're the final touch point in the sales process, the one who turns potential customers into actual customers. It's a role that can be performed virtually, making it a perfect fit for those looking to work from home. So, what skills do you need to be a successful sales closer? Well, first and foremost, you need to be a good listener. You need to understand the needs and wants of your potential customers and how your product or service can meet those needs. You also need to be persuasive, but in a way that doesn't feel pushy. You're not just selling a product or service, you're selling a solution. Let's take a moment to share a success story. Meet Lisa, a stay-at-home mom who turned her knack for persuasion into a lucrative side hustle. Lisa started out with no sales experience, but with determination and a willingness to learn, she was able to become a top-performing sales closer for a software company. Today, she earns a substantial income, all while balancing her responsibilities at home. Lisa's story is not an exception. It's proof that with the right mindset and skill set, anyone can succeed in this role. It's a testament to the potential that lies in being a sales closer, an opportunity that's waiting for you to seize it. In closing, let's borrow some wisdom from top sales closer, Jane Doe. She once said, "Sales is not about selling, it's about building trust and educating." This quote encapsulates the essence of being a sales closer. It's not just about making a sale, but about forming connections, understanding needs, and providing solutions. It's about helping your customers make informed decisions that benefit them. So if you're ready to dip your toes into the world of sales closing, remember this. It's a side hustle that requires not just skills, but also empathy, patience, and a genuine desire to help others. And in return, it offers great income potential and the convenience of working from home. In the words of top sales closer Jane Doe, sales is not about selling, it's about building trust and educating. Lastly, let's explore two side hustles that have taken the world by storm, starting a marketing agency and becoming a YouTuber. These are not merely side hustles, they are powerful platforms that have the potential to transform your life and income. Imagine running a marketing agency. You are the conductor of an orchestra, harmonizing different elements of marketing to create a symphony of success for your clients. It's not just about selling products or services, it's about telling a story, arousing emotions, and building connections. This requires a blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and an understanding of consumer behavior. Success stories are plentiful in this field. Take Sophia Amoruso, who started a small online vintage clothing store and turned it into the multi-million-dollar fashion empire Nasty Gal. She knew how to market her products and connect with her audience, and that made all the difference. On the other hand, becoming a YouTuber is like having your own TV channel, where you are the star, director, and producer. You can share your thoughts, ideas, and talents with the world. It's a platform where creativity, authenticity, and consistency are keys to success. Consider Lily Singh, who started uploading videos as a way to combat her depression. Now she's one of the highest-earning YouTubers, with millions of subscribers and her own late-night talk show. She built her empire on humor, authenticity, and a lot of hard work. Both these side hustles require passion and dedication, but they offer immense rewards. They allow you to create your own brand, to be your own boss, and to create value in the lives of others. They give you the power to turn your passion into profit, your hobby into a business. Remember, in the world of marketing and YouTube, it's not about being perfect, it's about being authentic. It's not about selling, it's about storytelling. And it's not about following the crowd, it's about carving your own path. As marketing guru Gary Vee says, your passion is your best marketing strategy. The journey of entrepreneurship is not easy, but it is rewarding. Picture yourself a homemaker turned video editing maven, the world of Discord moderation at your fingertips. A sales closer, striking deals and making a difference, running your very own marketing agency, or even becoming the next YouTube sensation. These are not just side hustles, they're stepping stones to a new chapter of your life. Each of these paths requires hard work, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous learning. But these efforts don't go unrewarded. With every challenge overcome, with every new skill learned, you are not just earning an income, you are growing as an individual, as an entrepreneur. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey. The late nights, the early mornings, the successes, the failures, they all contribute to the rewarding journey of entrepreneurship. In the words of Thomas Edison, the value of an idea lies in the using of it. So go ahead and start that side hustle. Your future self will thank you.